I'll be showing you how to make a simple house in Minecraft. You'll need all of the following. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start by making the flooring, and then I'm making this little hole here for some chests, like this. Now I'm gonna put the bed on top. I'm going to remove some of the flooring to place some furnaces. Now I'm gonna create a wall here, and I'm gonna put down a block here so the painting will be like this. Now to continue on with the walls like this, I'm gonna add some glass panes. Now I'm just gonna add a few more furnaces because, well, you never know when you end up needing furnaces. Then I'm gonna put the door here. Now on top, I'm going to add the smooth stone slabs for the roof. Now I'm just gonna put everything away now. Now just need to place this torch. Now we can focus on the indoor decoration. I'm gonna place a Spore Blossom here to make it look nicer. A map here. And then I'm just gonna grab one more slab, put it here. No, I mean not there. Sorry. Wait, I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna put it like this. Like this. And then I'm gonna put the painting somewhere else. I'm gonna put a Spore Blossom there. Then I'm actually gonna put the painting just over here, like that. Now we've finished the house. So if you like this tutorial, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!